Okay guys, okay, I just want to do like a mini photo shoot in my room. Yeah, everything is gonna be in my room. Yes, and the first one is going to be featuring this black mask right now. Like it's been a long time I applied this mask, and it's not gonna be a bad idea, you know. Cute two beds.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see.
Alright now, just because I wanted to show you guys. This is it. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Videoleap on your screens again. Guys, on today's video I'm going to be telling you or teaching you and also spilling all my tricks and tips on how I take my pictures at home. Yes, in the comfort of my bedroom. Yes, I'm going to be telling you guys how you can do that, and also showing you guys how I do that. Okay, yeah, if this video is something you're interested in watching, please stay tuned and watch the end. And if this is your first time of coming on my channel, my name is Sophia. I make content on lifestyle, beauty, travel and vlogs. Yeah, so stick around if this is the kind of content you want to watch. Yes, and if you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button down there. Yes, it will be much appreciated. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, I'm just going to wait for this to dry out a little. I opened every single window on here so that you know, so that the light, you know, every light, we need it. Yeah, yes guys, let's do this shoot. First of all, the first thing you need is obviously your room. Yes, once you have a room, you can take any kind of pictures. Yeah, and the next thing you need is a tripod. You need a tripod like this or any other kind of tripod. So far it's a tripod. Yes, I got this from, I can't remember the actual place I got it from, but I'll probably drop a link of where you can get it on either Amazon or anywhere. But if I remember after this video, I'm going to drop the link in the description box. Okay, yeah, next thing you need is a remote. Yes, a Bluetooth remote. Sometimes some of this tripod comes with a Bluetooth remote. You can also buy this remote separately if you don't have a tripod that came with a remote. Yes, the next thing you need is a phone. Obviously, any kind of phone, or your camera. Yes, if you have one. So the first thing I'm going to be telling you guys on how to get these bomb looking pictures is, first of all, before you take a picture, yeah, you have to like clean your lenses. Like, it is very, very, very important. It can never be underestimated. It is very, very, very important to get those perfect pictures. You have to like clean your lenses before you start. Okay, yeah. And the next thing I want to show you guys is, this is like super practical in getting, you know, like the best kind of pictures. So now I'm gonna turn on my screen record so that you guys will see what I am doing. So you open your camera, and before you see, this is looking really blurry right now. Yeah, so all you have to do is to clean your lens. As I'm cleaning this lens, you see the difference after that. You see the difference. So before you take pictures, selfie pictures or back camera pictures, this is not something you can do always. It just depends on the brightness of the place you are taking the pictures or how you want the pictures to look. Oftentimes I do this, sometimes I don't, when I know that I'm going to edit the picture a certain kind of way. You get? I usually turn on my AF lock. I lock it in and increase the bright. You get? And now most of the time I increase my brightness. Please do not forget that you don't do it so it's going to be looking all ugly and shit. You have to like do it moderately. Yeah, just moderately. And yeah, you take your pictures. Yes guys, this is the first two things I wanted to talk to you guys about that I do before taking my pictures. So guys, the next thing I need you guys to know is know your angles. But then if you don't know your angles, it's okay. It's okay. The only thing is that it's going to take you more time to get that kind of pictures you want. You can also like, you know, try to find the kind of pictures you want to take. Maybe all these Instagram influencers, you like the way this person poses, you like this kind of pictures, you can try to create that. Yes, so if you don't know your angles, it will only take you a longer time, but that's okay. All you have to do is have patience and take the pictures continually. Yeah, the next thing I want you guys to know is do not be limited to one particular place. So far your room is like obviously there is space in your room, try to like change your angles, try to like change your setup. You can go beside the window and take some kind of pictures, face in front of the mirror, take your pictures beside your wardrobe, by your door. Just you know, change your position, take so many pictures before by the end of the day you come out finding like some bomb ass pictures. And by the way guys, I wanted to apologize for the background noise. There are people walking, so just in case you're hearing voices, please pay no attention to it. Yeah, so let's continue. Do not be limited to one particular position in your house. I love white walls, but if you don't have a white wall, you can, you know, get a white material. And I'm going to show you guys something you can use in setting up wherever you want to take pictures. Yeah, let me get that stuff right away and show you. Okay guys, like I was saying, you shouldn't be limited to a particular kind of setup. You can, you know, tweak things, change things, just make it fun. If you have plants, you can set that, whatever thing you have. If you don't have a white wall or a white background, you can buy a white material and then get stuff like this hook. I got this, I can't remember how much I got it, but like it comes in a pack. You can get like more than 5 or more, I don't know, in it. And once you get it, you can place it anywhere you want to take a picture. Fix your material in it, boom, voila, you take your pictures. I would have showed you guys an example, but that's not what I'm here for right now. I'm just trying to like tell you guys how you can get creative when taking pictures at home. So guys, now I'm gonna discuss with you guys or tell you guys, let's talk about some of these pictures I took and the ideas behind them, and also explain how and why I did some certain things. So guys, I wanted to take like a bedroom kind of shots. You know, all those bedroom shots, you woke up in the morning with your skincare and you're on your laptop working and all of that, I had that idea, so I decided to like do something like that. All I had to do is set up my tripod, use a black face mask, set up everything, then with my Bluetooth remote, I took my shots. Yes, and at the end of this is how the pictures came out. Don't they look bomb? Don't they look bomb? Yes. So the next idea I had was just to like do a little dress up and take some really nice pictures for Instagram. So all I had to do was dress up, obviously dress up, set up my tripod and the way I wanted it, and then took so many shots with different poses. You just have to like keep taking those shots till you're tired. Change your angles, change your tripod setup, take those pictures, keep taking them, and at the end of the day you come out with 1 or 2 pictures that are looking really bomb, or even more than one. Yeah, so these particular pictures I'm gonna be putting on the screen how it came out. Yes guys, I also had to like change my environment, like I had to like change position. So I came to this other edge, as you can see in the video. I posed and then took as many pictures as possible, and at the end of the day this is how some of those pictures came in. Yes, so guys, this is how you can take pictures at home, your kitchen, your sitting room, your bedroom, even your toilet. You can take pictures anywhere you want. So far you have brightness or ring lights or whatever, all you have to do is set it up, pose away. So guys, this is how I take my pictures at the comfort of my home, at the comfort of my room. Yes, yeah, I think we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. If you learned 1 or 2 things, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section on what kind of videos you would like me to put out next, or ask me questions. Yes, ask me questions. Whatever you don't understand, please ask me. I will be very, very, very quick to replying you in the comments. Okay guys, before we end this video, I would like you guys to take a poll on what video you would like me to post next. If you would like to see how I film my videos, or a video of what's on my iPhone, the apps I use, my productivity apps, my editing apps, whatever, everything on my phone, not everything, like apps I use, please take the poll. Choose which content you would like to see next, because this video is going to be dropping on Thursday. Tell me the content you would like to see on Sunday. I post, by the way, I post on Thursdays and Sundays. Thursdays by 4 p.m, Sundays by 3 p.m. Yes, so please take the poll up here. Which of these contents would you like to see next? Yeah, if you don't take the poll, I wouldn't know. So I would really appreciate you if you take the poll. Okay, and without further ado, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Always give me a thumbs up whether you enjoyed it or not. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Leave me a comment in the comment section, and I'm gonna see you on my next one.